Okay, ayan kids, before we start our sports day, magpapakilala muna ang event team. I am Ate Missy, your event host for today, and kasama natin si Ate Jen and Ate Angge. Say hi to the kids! Hi, Jen! Say hi to the kids! Para may energy tayo mamaya sa ating game, kailangan natin mag-warm up dance. Okay ba yun kids? Magka-dance tayo? Okay, so ituturo po ni Lala Chan and ni Ate Jeb yung 2 easy steps ng ating warm-up dance. Okay, Lala Chan, paano yung first step natin? Then kids, stop, twist your body and then clap. Okay, like this in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Other side, 1, 2, 3, and clap. Okay, sa ating second step naman kids, just point up. Okay, point tayo sa up. And then walk. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Other side, 1, 2, and 3. And kids, ako po ba yung 2 easy steps natin? Okay, so mga ready natin kids. Music please. And kids, follow Lala Chan. Okay, very good everyone. Okay, so mukhang may mga energy na ang ating kids. Nag-group na kaya ni Ate Jen at ni Ate Angge ng 2 teams. Okay, sa team A, nakakasama niyo si Ate Jen. Sa team B naman, nakakasama niyo si Ate Angge. Okay, kids, find your teams. Okay, kids, any idea anong lalaroin natin today? Okay, so yung lalaroin natin today ay tinatawag na sack race. Okay? So, sino na nakakalaro na ng sack race before? May naka-play na po ba ng sack race before? Yan. Okay, so mga hindi pa po nakakaalam sa ating laro, ayan ituturo po ni Ate Jen at ni Ate Angge kung paano natin lalaroin ang sack race. Okay, so una, may sako tayo and then susuotin natin. And then you will jump paikot sa ating coil and then balik sa ating perspective area. Okay, practice tayo and 3, 2, 1, go! Jump! Ayan, magja-jump kayo paikot sa ating coil and then balik. Okay, to? Pagbalik natin sa ating line, ipapasa yung sako sa next natin na layer. Okay, kids, nakuha po ba yung mechanics sa ating game? Okay, so suot na tayo sa ating mga socks. Naunang magka 2 points, sila yung winner natin. Okay? And kids, sabi daw ni Lala Chan, safety reminders daw po muna sa ating mga players. Okay, no pushing and no fighting. Just enjoy our friendly game. Okay, kids, Team A, are you ready? Ready na? Team B, are you ready? Okay, sa ating first round of sack race in 3, 2, 1, go! Jump! Okay, nauna ang ating Team B. Ang cute ng ating Team A. Okay, pangalawa na sa ating Team B. Coming in from so don't worry, teammate. Babawi pa tayo sa ating second round. Okay, nasa na ating kids? Oh. Okay, sa ating second round of sack race. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, mabilis pa rin ang ating Team B. Ayaw magpatalo ang ating Team B. May habol tayo, Team A. Ayan! Okay, sabay-sabay na sila. Last one! Okay, nauna talaga si Kuya. Okay, wait lang. Matapos naman natin si ang ating Team B. Sila na ang ating winner kasi may 2 points na sila. Okay, Lala Chan, dito tayo. Okay, please, dito tayo. Okay, nawala ang ating mga Team A. Nawala sila. Okay, so, ayan. So, Team A, tingin tayo sa ating mga Team B. So, syempre sila ang ating winner. Bibigyan natin sila ng 5 claps and 1 good job. Okay, together with Lala and 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, Team B. Okay, dito tayo, Lala Chan. And kids, congratulations sila ang ating winner. Ayan, high five tayo kay Lala Chan. High five. Good job. Ayan, Team B. So, syempre, ganalingan din naman ang ating Team A. Bibigyan natin sila ng 3 claps and 1 very good. Okay, together with Lala. Pagtatapos ang ating event. Ayan, may hinandang surprise daw si Lala Chan sa inyo. Kasi very good kayo sa inyo laro kanina. Okay, kids, balik na tayo sa ating mga lines kanina. Kailangan daw muna nating sayawin ang kanyang favorite dance. Okay, Lala Chan, gusto mo ba yun? Okay, so, kids, up and down. Get ready to jump. Down and down. March. Up and up. March. Down. Pitch. March. And jump. Point. Bend your knees. Tap your shoulder. Turn around. Jump. Down and down. March. Up and up. Down and down. Bend your knees and sleep. Okay. And kids, para mabuksan ang ating surprise box, all you have to do is to shout, surprise! Okay? Yung malakas, okay kids? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, surprise! Okay, so may mga balloons na po. Sit down muna tayo. Okay, sit down muna. And kids, sit down muna tayo. Okay kids, wave your balloons. Wave niyo ang mga balloons niyo. Kizuna, you will shout hooray and then wave your balloons. Okay? Okay, practice tayo. 3, 2, 1, Kizuna. Okay kids, one more time. When I say Kizuna, you shout hooray. In 3, 2, 1, Kizuna. Okay, parents and guardians, ready na po sa ating camera to take a good photo sa inyo kids. Sa gitna na lang po tayo. Wait na. And then sabi daw ni Lala Chan, sino daw yung gusto mag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday dito sa Kizuna? Okay, may nag-hand up. Okay, for more information. Okay, Lala